If your appliance displays the Bosch dishwasher e08 error, it's signaling a serious issue with water drainage, specifically a problem with the heat pump or a blocked filter preventing proper water flow to the base of the appliance. This error is commonly associated with sediment, food debris, or scale buildup, restricting internal circulation. The Bosch dishwasher E08 code usually appears mid-cycle, stopping the program and leaving dishes partially cleaned. Most often, the root cause lies in a clogged filter or a damaged pump impeller. Begin troubleshooting by disconnecting the dishwasher from power, then removing and cleaning the filters thoroughly. Check for debris underneath the lower spray arm and inside the sump area. If you're comfortable, examine the heat pump for signs of obstruction or wear. In many cases, this problem can be resolved at home by descaling the dishwasher and cleaning the components. However, if the error persists after cleaning, the pump itself might be defective. At this point, replacing the pump is typically necessary. When should you call a professional? If you're unable to access internal parts safely, or if you've cleaned the filters and the Bosch dishwasher E08 error still appears, it's time to contact Bosch Certified Service. A technician can run diagnostic tests and replace the faulty components. On average, professional repair for this issue costs between $150 and $300, depending on your location and whether parts like the heat pump need replacement. To sum up, the Bosch dishwasher E08 error indicates a drainage or circulation failure. Start with basic cleaning and proceed to more advanced fixes only if you're experienced. Otherwise, professional support is the safest and most efficient solution.